Hey you. I want to talk about my manifestation journey. 8 months back I presented a video that was stating manifestations, is it real? And how is my journey going? 3 months back I once again woke up with this thank you for everything feeling for a week or so. It has been incredibly dry on the market, and suddenly I got a recommendation from two persons one day, and then two more the day after. What's going on? I was thinking, because they offered me a job, and I accepted the process for one of them, which highly increased my salary on a monthly basis. I can also say that for about a year or so I've been doing this Jim Carrey method, to call it like that, which is bringing a note where you write down an amount, how much you would like to earn. My number was like $12,000 per month, which is very much. I started my new position, I was very happy, but the recommendations kept on coming. Just 14 days after I started the new position, I got a message from LinkedIn, and 3 different persons recommended me the same job. And the day before I was like still on this high vibe, believing I will make a lot of money starting now. Actually, they offered me the exact number. I think it was like $100 away per month if I agreed on joining this company. Unfortunately, I had some bad feeling regarding it due to the name of the company. I have cooperated with them before. I actually went to 2 interviews there, but I asked some strange questions, I think, at least in the second one. I'm still in the process, but I do not think I will get it. And if you do not think that you will be getting it, you will not, usually. So let's see how it goes. But I'm baffled. Left and right I'm getting offers. And now it's a really dry season in the job market. And how did I accomplish this? I have been listening to affirmations for about a year now. Every day when I go to sleep, my poor girlfriend laying beside me listening to this. You are incredibly wealthy. I'm like, well, maybe I shouldn't turn this down. But I didn't, because she said it was okay. So 1 year later, I'm getting everything I have been manifesting. And I will now try to adjust my expectation even higher. If you are able to believe that you will be getting this $1 million, if you really think you will be getting it, you will. So keep on manifesting and keep on believing. There is an energy that is trying to reach you out there. You just need to let it in and open up. So thank you for dropping by once again. This is JR from Relaxed Inspiration. Namaste.